Ang next area natin is pain helps us sometimes to think more clearly when we are emotionally in love.
I really encourage singles, if you have single friends, please tag them and share this with them. Kasi maganda rin na makita nila yung reality of relationships na after the kilig usually lasts about 2 years.
Scientific yun ha? Scientific
may
study yun.
about that. Anyway, there's a teacher na gustong-gusto namin, New York-based siya. Sabi niya, pag nagliligawan, it's like a consumer market. Ma-market mo yung sarili mo dun sa tao na gusto mong ma-in love sa'yo. So, you'll put your best foot forward, you'll fix your hair. Katulad ko, dati, nag-aayos ako, tapos nung kinasal na kami, parang nag-let go ako for a while. Kasi, pag nagliligawan tayo, we always want to look our best. Yun lang, I'm very guilty of this. Sa labas natin ng positives, naiiwan sa ilalim yung mga negatives, which are the things that will come out pag may committed relationship na kayo. Yun usually yung nagkukos ng away at yun yung nagkukos din ng breakup.
Actually, pag nasa 2-year kilig stage ka pa, they say you start to get temptations to get physically intimate. Now, after 2 years na maging physically intimate kayo, by the 3rd year onwards, bumababa na yung kilig slowly. Tapos yung mga negatives ng partner mo, nakikita mo na. Kaya ngayon, yung mga singles, if you're listening, grabe ngayon. Minsan, if you can just read yung mga letters sa amin, na mga tao na very negative in their relationships, imagine mo, when they started, sobrang kilig yun. Wow, I want to fall in love, I want to get married to him.
Tsaka yung mga non-married ones who have gone through breakups. Diba? Hindi naman kayo nag-start out na, hindi naman siya okay. Love na love mo yun eh. Nag-break lang kayo because of something.
So, meron kaming isang story of a single person na ito yung repetitive emotional pattern niya pag nai-in-love siya.
Kaka-break lang niya at the time na nagsulat siya sa amin. Galit na galit siya. Kasi the guy that she's dating, babaero, she caught him cheating. Tapos, away-away sila. And then, the more you ask her questions, nakikita mo na even before, nung nagliligawan pa sila, meron na siyang nakikitang mga senyales na, teka, parang babaero tong guy na to. Hindi lang pala ako yung fino-flirt niya. Pero, dahil siguro gusto niya talaga tong guy na to, na-blinded siya by love, kilig na kilig siya. Kasi, kahit may fino-flirt siyang ibang girl, pagdating naman daw sa kanya, todo buhos naman daw ng affection and panliligaw yung guy. Nakikita niya yung mga signs, pero hindi niya pinapansin. Kasi, baka naman mawawala to pag naging kami na. Eventually, nung naging sila, lumabas din yung tendencies ng guy to be babaero and nahuli niya. So, hurt na hurt siya ngayon, galit na galit.
So, yung sinabi ni Maricar, babaero yung lalaki, pero dahil kilig na kilig ka, nandun ka sa emotional high nung 2 years na, wow, he's so guwapo, and he loves me. And so, ang tendency, dinideny mo na, hindi naman siguro problem yan. Siguro pag nagkaanak kami, magbabago siya. Yun yung mga fantasies mo na denying the truth. Now, kapag may pain na, nag-marry na kayo, or naging kayo na, and then, may naanakan siyang iba, ni-report sa'yo na multiple girls na pinagsasabay kayo. Now, yung pain mo lumalaki ngayon. When the pain memory file is bigger now, you are forced na, let's say, maghiwalay kayo nung lalaki niyo.
Yes.
Next time may babaero ulit, parang
pag nakita mo ulit yung mga senyales na hindi mo pinansin before, papansinin mo na ngayon.
pag may babaero ulit na sobrang attractive, parang gusto ko pa ba to? Kasi ang sakit-sakit na nung pain memory files ko dun sa babaero kong ex, no? So, if not enough pa yung pain, you'll again involve yourself with a babaero and say, bakit siya babaero in the end? But if your pain is very big already, dun sa ex mo na babaero, then itong babaero na bago, medyo ano ka na, ayoko, cute ka, medyo attractive ka, pero pass mo na ako ngayon.
Magkaka-pain ka talaga sa life, and especially sa love. Pero, one thing that helped us to avoid pain is to listen to other people's stories. Learn from other people's mistakes para kahit papano, you don't have to make them yourself. Ask your tito, your tita for yung mga love mistakes nila and try to learn from them. Pain is a good teacher if you will allow it.